polar curves. So in graph sheet, we are drawing the x-axis, y-axis. So this one is x-axis. We are expressing the value of x in real values and y in terms of real numbers. So here we are marking some points in the x and y coordinate, first coordinate. Then we express this one as x comma y1, x1 comma y1 or x2 comma y2. Otherwise we can substitute the values 2 comma 3. But in polar curve, so here there is a angle takes place when x-axis, the point x-axis moving from x to y. So we mark some point in between. So we give the name P, and here if we find out the distance, let the distance is r. So this point is nothing but r and theta. So this one is angle theta. So this we have the theta, and we make one perpendicular line. So this is 90 degree. Then we can express this distance is nothing but let we consider y, and this is nothing but x. Then with help of right angled triangle OPQ. So here right angled triangle OPQ, we can write sine theta as opposite dividing by hypotenuse. Here opposite is nothing but PQ. We have y dividing by hypotenuse is nothing but r. So if we cross multiply this one, we can write it as y equal to r sine theta. So similarly, we can write cos theta. So cos theta is nothing but adjacent side. Adjacent side is nothing but x, the distance of OQ, dividing by hypotenuse. If we modify, we can write it as x equal to r cos theta. So here x, y are Cartesian coordinate. This one is Cartesian coordinates. And this x and y is expressed in terms of r and theta. R cos theta, x is r cos theta, and y is r sin theta, is nothing but polar coordinates. Polar coordinates. So here x, if we draw the point, one line OP. So here this one is theta, and here we are writing the distance. P is the distance of r. O is nothing but pole, center of the coordinates, and r is nothing but radius vector. So here polar equation nothing but the equation, a graph which contains r and theta. The curve contains r and theta. It can be written as r equal to f of theta. Otherwise we can write it p of r comma theta. So here we are saying that r is radius vector. So when we draw the curve, so here let the curve maybe this one, this is a polar curve. So from center, from the pole, we draw the radius vector. So here this is radius vector. So here if we draw the tangent line, so tangent point is this one. This is P is the tangent point, and this one is tangent line. So here this one makes angle psi. So here we have the angle between radius vector as well as tangent line. We represent this as phi. Then we can write that psi is nothing but theta plus phi. So here exterior angle is nothing but sum of interior angles. So here this is nothing but slope. Slope is nothing but tan psi. We can write it as dy by dx. So here we apply tan for right hand side also. We get the form of tan of a plus b. So here tan of a plus b, we can write it as tan theta plus tan phi dividing by 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. So we consider this as equation number 1. Now here we have the polar coordinates. So polar coordinates, x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. So here we know that r is a function of theta. So here if we differentiate x with respect to theta, we must apply the product rule. So here r is function of theta, apply product rule. So here dx dividing by d theta, we can write it as r, write it as it is, cos theta can be written as minus sin theta, plus r is dr by d theta into cos theta. So similarly here dy with respect to d theta. So here we can write r into cos theta plus r differentiation is dr by d theta into sin theta. Dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta dividing by dx dividing by d theta. So here dy by d theta is nothing but r cos theta plus dr by d theta into sin theta dividing by here minus r sin theta plus by d theta into cos theta. So here we must refer the equation number 1. So we have the numerator in the form of tan theta. So here see that here we have tan theta. So here we must make this equation in terms of tan theta. So here sin theta is divided by cos theta, we get tan theta. Similarly, we must take dr by d theta as common. So here while writing this one, we take dr by d theta common, so that here we get r dividing by dr by d theta. And here if we take cos theta common, so here cos theta already we have taken common. So here right hand side dr by d theta is taken common. So here we must divide cos theta dividing by, so here we take dr by d theta, so that we can write here minus r dividing by dr by d theta into sin theta dividing by cos theta plus 1. So here we must take cos theta also common. So we divide this one. So if we divide this one, we can write it this as r into d theta by dr. Otherwise, we can keep as it is, plus tan theta dividing by 1 minus r into d theta by dr into tan theta. So this is equation number 2. So if we compare equation number 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 compare, then we can write it as tan phi equal to r into d theta by dr. Otherwise, we can write it as r dividing by dr by d theta. So if we do the reciprocal of this one, we can write it as cot phi equal to 1 dividing by r into dr by d theta. So this one, we are finding the angle between radius vector and tangent. So phi is nothing but angle between radius vector and tangent, length of the perpendicular from pole on the tangent. So here we have the diagram. R is radius vector, and here it makes an angle theta. Radius vector, angle between the radius vector and a tangent line is nothing but phi. So here we draw the perpendicular line so that we have the right angled triangle OPQ. So here right angled triangle OPQ. So we can write it. We must find out the length of the perpendicular from the pole to the tangent line. So that is nothing but OQ. So OQ is nothing but opposite side for the angle phi. So here we can write it as, so we mentioned this as capital P. So sin theta equal to, sorry, sin phi equal to, opposite is P dividing by hypotenuse is R. So if we modify this one, we can write it as P equal to R into sin pi. So sometimes it is difficult to find out the phi. So during that time, we cannot apply this formula. So we modify this one according to the angle between the radius vector and the tangent line. So here we square this one. P square can be written as R square into sin square phi. And we reciprocal this one. 1 by P square equal to 1 by R square into 1 by sin square can be written as cosecant square phi, where cosecant square phi can be written as 1 plus cot square phi. So here 1 by R square into 1 plus cot phi can be written as 1 by R into dr by d theta whole square. This one we get 1 by R square plus 1 by R power 4 into dr by d theta whole square. So this is nothing by 1 by P square. So here Padel equation is nothing, Padel equation is nothing but the relation between P and R.